Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix mobile data problem in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video. Sometimes your mobile networks are not coming and you are unable to download any application or movies, anything you want. Is there is no internet, you can just refresh your internet by turning on the airplane mode, and this will, you can see, by turning on this feature, this will disable the mobile network. And you have to, after that 10 minutes you have to turn it off, and as you can see the mobile networks is refreshed now. Then friends, one more step you have to do is go to the settings, click on mobile networks, and here select the SIM card. Then here it is, you can see access point name, click on reset to the default. As you can see, reset default APN settings completed. Now your internet connection and mobile data is refreshed. Now you can just download anything. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.